Okay, let's get this done. I'm not a specialist, I just like having a clean home. I noticed the marble on the terrace looked sad and thought of ways to refresh it. As for so many other things that pile up layers of dirt with time, my guess proved to be correct. It just needed a good soak in hot water and some hand washing liquid. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, the secret lies in the hot water. Let's go. Pour some really hot water on the dirty surface of the marble and top it with some dish soap. Now, find something else to do for about 10 to 15 minutes and let it do its magic. Having a beer is also something else to do. The dirt layers are being softened during this time, making it so much easier for you to get them off. You can scrape in a circular motion with a soft sponge, an abrasive one, a steel wood wire, or a metal sponge. Be careful what you choose. If the marble has some layer of treatments, go for a soft sponge. That's usually valid for interiors, where people prefer glossy marble. But most of the marble used for the exteriors is matte, so you can go for the more abrasive versions. The best thing is to test on a small surface and check out if it goes a bit dull or loses its spark. Choose wisely. Mine hadn't been treated in years, so it didn't make any difference. The final step is to wise and rinse with a damp cloth and get that second beer going. Good. Now that you got this off your chest, check out my other cleaning videos. Cheers!